Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Tuesday the 4th of October 2016 and we're briefly covering the latest IMF announcement published earlier today. Although the IMF raised its prediction for UK GDP growth this year to 1.8%, the figure for 2017 was cut to 1.1%, as it warned that the global recovery remains, quote, weak and precarious, unquote. The IMF's latest World Economic Outlook predicts global growth this year will reach 3.1%, rising slightly in 2017. Chief economist Maurice Obstfeld said, quote, taken as a whole, the world economy has moved sideways. Without determined policy action to support economic activity over the short and longer terms, subpar growth at recent levels risks perpetuating itself, unquote. A fall in US growth this year to 1.6%, down from the previous 2.2% forecast, will be offset by increases in countries including Japan, Germany and Russia and India, the IMF said. Mr. Obstfeld says, quote, it is vitally important to defend the prospects for increasing trade integration. In one important area, China, the IMF's concerns have eased somewhat in the short term. Growth has been stable, allaying fears that China's widely reported economic slowdown will be much more abrupt than it has been. However, there is a warning about the country's longer-term prospects and the debt burden faced by many businesses. The IMF added, quote, a still rising credit to GDP ratio and lack of decisive progress in addressing corporate debt and governance concerns in state-owned industries raise the risk of a disruptive adjustment, unquote. This is a warning to Chinese authorities to address the issue of uncontrolled debt provision. Otherwise, a significant default and economic collapse could result. For those of us who invest in gold and silver, it does suggest that Chinese demand should, at least short term, continue unabated. This means a continued demand for both gold and silver by China, India, Russia, Germany and Japan. This will continue to put upward pressure on prices. This bodes particularly well for silver in 2017, should the IMF prove correct. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views